Hello, I'm Alex from Sembly AI, and today I'll show you how to push tasks from Sembly to ClickUp. First of all, we'll need to create our own account in ClickUp. After that, we'll go to Sembly and click to My Automation tab. Click to Browse all apps and find ClickUp there. Click to ClickUp and click to Connect. Now we connect our account to ClickUp and click to New Automation. Here we have 3 tabs, and also we can rename our automation as tasks. In data type, we will choose the data type and actually what we want to send from Sembly to ClickUp. In our case, it's my tasks and to-dos. In filter, I'll choose apply to all meetings that I have access to and click done, complete. Now we have automation that will send our tasks from Sembly to ClickUp. Also, this automation will send automatically all tasks from your meeting that were detected. But you can also do it manually. And now I'll show you how to do this. We go to the My Tasks and click to the tasks. So we can click on the flash and use our automation. We can do it couple times, like for 3 tasks. And now we go to ClickUp. In the left side, in the left menu, we have my Sembly Tasks workspace. So click here and click to the tasks. In here, we have 3 tasks that we send from the Sembly to ClickUp.